Thank you. Yun nga, yung mindset namin naman is yung situation, kailangan mo na makarecover sa mga errors and maybe sa mga miscommunication namin ng person. So, happy naman kami kasi nakarecover kami from 2 to 4 sets.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, MG with 13 points. Siguro sa player side na lang din, paano lang din we make sure na makukuha nyo ng win na to after dropping that first set against next net?
We just really have to follow yung mga, of course, yung positions namin sa loob, and yung execution namin kanina. We really needed to minimize our errors and to do better sa attacks namin. Yun, dun kami nagkulang talaga sa first set, hindi kami naka-convert. So, pag nasabihan naman kami ng mga coaches namin, we just really have to apply it in the game.
Thank you. And for Coco, in that fourth set, there was a moment where next net really gave you guys a hard fight, but how did you guys manage to stay composed and eventually get this win?
I will honestly say we got a little lucky there when they missed that serve because the momentum swung back to our side, and then we closed out the match. So there's a little bit of luck on our side there, and then we closed out in the end.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coco, can you take us through how did you guys? Coco, can you take us through how did you guys rally yourselves in the court during after that set one loss?
Yeah, I think we tried to find joy again. I think that first set we were a little tense and we weren't playing our normal kind of volleyball, and we were kind of like hesitant, and we kind of like go and play a little bit more free in the rest of the match, and with confidence and a little bit more trust.
MG, gano'n lang ka-importante na you guys stay composed, especially sobrang competitive ng field ngayon sa PBL.
Syempre din naman yung practice namin every day that adds to our composure, that adds to our confidence, not only in ourselves but in our teammates. Pero sabi nga ni Coach, magkamali ka ng isa, you make a mistake, there's always another area or another way to get it back. So kailangan yung focus lang namin on paano kami makabawi, on how we can make a point, not for anything but also for our team na to contribute in any way we can, because volleyball has so many areas where you can step up, so we just really have to commit ourselves to all those areas and also help one another. Teamwork talaga siya sa loob.
Coach, yung sa nabanggit natin MG sa errors, paano lang i-minimize ng team moving forward yung mga errors?
Siyempre, number one is talaga sa training, huwag ka mag-later sa galaw mo para mabawasan yung mga errors namin. I think talagang more on touches talaga kami sa training para ma-minimize namin yung mga errors.
For Coco, besides the offense, it was evident on the defense side that you were handling at the back end. Just talk about the focus you have on supporting Pino in that
Like we talked about, any way that I can help, and the composure point, and if I'm not scoring very much this match, or I was having a tough time in like the first set per se, I'll find another way to help the team the best that I can. And today for me that was defense. So I tried to step it up the best that I could there and read and see anything that I could in the back row.
Coach, nung second set, after the first set natalo, parang pinasok mo si Tots and si Sheena, tapos nag-iba rin yung complexion ng laro. Parang ano lang ba nakita nyo dun sa takbo ng team na talaga mas naging smooth yung takbo?
Wala naman, parehas lang siguro. Siguro nag-adjust na kami ng konti sa second six. I think, yun nga, sabi nga nila yung Coco kanina, medyo lucky kami din sa ibang break talaga na pupunta sa amin. So, wala naman siguro. Same na kasi yung team namin. Kahit sino yung ipasok mo naman, alam naman nila yung gagawin.
MG, ayun, kayo yung defending champion. Siguro pumapasok ba once in a while sa team na, well, kayo yung defending champions na kayo first conference. Paano yung tinitake ko sa
Honestly, wala, kinalimutan na. Naalala pa ba natin? Hindi talaga namin iniisip yung past or yung record, or hindi namin iniisip na kami yung defending champion. Talaga, when we step into the game, respect for all of our opponents, and syempre kailangan ibigay talaga namin yung best namin. So, mahirap talaga sa amin na kinakalaban namin yung sarili namin through our errors. So, More on, syempre, we're gonna draw confidence from that na defending champion kami, but we have to work na parang hindi. So we really have to work harder than the other teams because they're also working hard. We have to play smarter and kailangan pagpasok namin talaga sa loob ng court, mas gigil kami because kapag masyado kaming relaxed as what happened to the first set, medyo yung energy namin bumababa talaga. So kailangan para kami talagang naghahabol every game and yun, maging composed lang kami all throughout. Yun naman yung importante din.
Coach, dito sa second round, every win matters talaga. You're going up against Choco Mucho in your next game. So how will this win help you guys heading into that match?
Siyempre, big factor yung win namin coming from the next game namin sa Choco Mucho. Kasi I think excited din kami na almost 6 months na ba, 7 months namin hindi nakakalaban ng Choco Mucho. So excited kami na makalaban sila.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, MC. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you.